is the trolley I was talking about, around $40. If you want to check it. Sorry. Yeah, you have free shuttle running in this road. You can come. You can take free shuttle also. If you are on this side of the Key West, you can take the free shuttle, which comes to the 0 mile. Just one stop behind 0 mile. You can hop down and you can just roam around here. So I'll just show you the free shuttle. It is here on. It's a free shuttle which will come now. This is a free shuttle. You can take anywhere Key West. $40 trolley, but free shuttle means you may not have seat to sit, but you won't need to stand, but you can go one point to another point. So that's better, guys. So we are going to the other side, western side of the Key West. So there is some photo opportunities, photo point. Hope we'll take some photos over there. And then so this is the train, one more train you can take if you want. The fact is that many people doesn't know about the free shuttle. You can take the free shuttle if you are coming over here. There's a lot of souvenir over here. You can buy guys anything. There's a lot of souvenir. You can see behind me. It's all souvenir. You can buy anything from here. It's near to Shipwreck Museum. It's directly near to the Shipwreck Museum. You can see there.
Come on, get up.
So it's a Caribbean cargo. A lot of shops, trolley shop, some smaller shops. It's all it's not so cheap, but it's okay. Right? Lot of things. If you want t-shirt, you have t-shirts. Let me check the price of a t-shirt for you guys. This t-shirt it costs $124. How much for the plain man? $29.95. Whole day.
Yeah, it's how long? We don't have all day like this. And last one leaves at 4:30.
4:30. So the Gooch train, what you can see over here. This train, it's $29.99. $29.99. So if you guys want, you can just hop into that. It starts from morning 9 o'clock to evening 4:30 in the evening. So this is also option. You have $40 of bus, or you can take this train. $29.99, much cheaper than the bus, $10 cheaper. Or else, yeah, you can take the free shuttle. That's also an option for you guys. If you want to just hop off into other station, that's also a choice. So if you want to get water, please get it from the home. Don't try to buy from here, it's very costly. Half a liter of water. This bottle costs around $3.23. $3.23. It's too costly. It's around 150 Indian rupees. Yeah, one say $200 in India. Around, it's very costly. Don't buy this from here. Bring 2 liters of water when you're coming to Key West. Okay, this guy is doing something here. I don't know, from a long time she is taking topis, putting topis. She is very pretty. So some sort of this thing is there, Mallory Square. So we are going there to take some photos. Have this $5 shop over here. It's near to Wrigley's, believe it or not. You can see Wrigley's, believe it or not, here. And $5 shop is over here. You can see this is a $5 shop. If I can also, you can see it's everywhere. It's written $5. So it's a $5 shop. You can come over here and it's right near to the Republic Elite or not. Anything, t-shirt, shorts, anything you take, it's just $5. So you buy something like that, $5. I just bought a t-shirt from them for $5 just as a souvenir for myself. Okay. $3, not for all, but for some. Not $3, $3.99. It's $3.99. Don't be. He's doing a lot of chore, guys. I don't know what to do with her. If I can find my camera, you guys can see it. This is the fish which is going there. I just stumbled onto the harbor right now. I can see a lot of yachts, boats in the harbor. It's very good to see. Tarpon feeding at 4 p.m. What is that? You can see lot of boats, yachts flying in the harbor. Just see the harpoon, guys. It's a harpoon. So big when you're coming over here. No bicycle riding, please, in the harbor.
Oh, they got 30 minutes.
If you're coming here, don't miss the harbor walk. It's very famous. You can see harpoons, big fishes just swimming beside you. And so this is how you walk from there. You walk. Harpoon. Please don't feed the fish here because it may attack you.
No.
In order to feed you, it may just flap its wings so that you guys might get hurt. So don't feed the fish here. See yachts, boats. Beautiful restaurant. You can see a lot of people having enjoying the view. Wines, everything. Very good. The ambience is so beautiful, guys. You can come here. You can
Had any other songs, and they don't. That you know of.
see the guy who is doing the music for you
They're each
guys.
like 7 or 8 songs long, and every song is like 3 minutes. So that's the extent of the looking glass.
So you can see the girl on the yacht, the anchoring the superboat. So she's anchoring the superboat. That's it, guys. Pretty much wrap from this Key West adventure. I hope you guys liked it, and it's time 45 and another 45 minutes to stroll around here. And if you like the video, please subscribe to it and hit the like button. And yeah, share with your family and friends, guys. That's the main important thing. If you please subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, guys. So this is pretty much wrap from Key West, and I'll see you guys until I come back for a new video. So take care, peace, have a good time.